Okay, next problem says, group tours of the Luray Caverns in Luray began about every 20 minutes. The first group toured the caverns from 9 a.m. to 10:12. The second group of the day toured from 9:20 to 10:35 a.m. Complete the strip diagram to model how much longer the second tour was than the first tour. Okay. So it's telling us that the first group toured from 9 a.m. to 10:12. Okay. The second group toured from 9:20 to 10:35. And it wants me to find out how much longer the second group was than the first tour, okay? If you look for some keywords, you would see that it says how much longer, and it says then. And it's comparing two things. It's comparing the second tour and the first tour, okay? Think really hard about the operation we're going to do for this problem. It's going to be subtract, okay? Because I have how much longer, and I'm comparing two things. So I know for sure some point in this problem, I'm going to subtract, okay? So I have my first group, and I have my second group, okay? So for sure, I need to subtract those two groups. But if you look, I have times here. I have 9 o'clock a.m. to 10:12, to 9:20 to 10:35, okay? I need to see how long the tours were for each group. Okay, like how long the tours lasted. So let me do the first tour. Okay, I'm going to put first group here so I know what I'm doing. Okay, in the first group, it starts at 9 a.m. Okay, this is my starting time. It starts at 9 a.m. and it ends at 10:12. I'm going to put end here. Okay. I want to know how long did it take to get from 9 o'clock to 10:12. Okay. So I know for sure if I look, the first thing I do is my hours. They have different numbers. I have 9 and I have 10. So I for sure know that an hour went by. So I'm going to put 1 hour here. If I add 9 o'clock to 1 hour, I get 10 o'clock. Okay. But I need to get to 10:12. Okay. So next I can just say, okay, well, you know what? I'm going to add 12 minutes. If I add 12 minutes, then I get to 10:12. And that's what I wanted to do. They're both 10:12 now. So now I know that for the first group, the tour was 1 hour and 12 minutes. Okay, I'm going to circle that. That's for the first group. That's how long the tour took. Okay, the second group, they started at 9:20. Okay, and they ended at 10:35. Okay, so same thing. I need to see what can I do to get from 9:20 to 10:35. So first I look at hours. It's a 9 here, it's a 10 here, so for sure an hour went by. So I'm going to put 1 hour. So I'm going to be at, if I add 1 hour to 9:20, I'm at 10:20, okay? Now I need to get to 35 minutes, okay? So let's say, like I said, take it small. With the minutes, take it small. So let me just add 5 minutes, okay? If I add 5 minutes to 20 minutes, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, okay? So I'm at 10:25, okay? But I need to get to 10:35. So I can add about 10 more minutes. So I'm going to put 10 minutes here. And I'll be at 10:35 now. So now they're at the same, 10:35, 10:35. So I know that it took an hour and 15 minutes. Okay, I'm going to circle that. So now I know the amount of time it took for each group. This one took 1 hour, 12 minutes. This one took 1 hour, 15 minutes, okay? So now what my question says, how much longer did the second group tour was than the first tour? Okay, so all I have to do is subtract the times. Okay, so I'm going to do 1 hour, 15 minutes, because that's my second group, minus 1 hour and 12 minutes. As you can see, I did the 15 minutes on top because this number is bigger, okay? 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it took about 3 minutes, okay? And that is my answer. And if you notice here, it says every group tours began about every 20 minutes, okay? I didn't even use this, so we didn't need that. So my answer is 3 minutes.